today we're going to start on Ode to Joy, which is a song from Ludwig van Beethoven's Symphony No. 9. Ludwig van Beethoven was a composer who lived 200 years ago in Germany. He was very, very famous and traveled throughout Europe, much like a rock star in his time. Mr. Beethoven also went deaf by the time he was 30 years of age, and he wrote his Ninth Symphony without being able to hear anything at all. If I asked you to hear Hot Cross Buns or Happy Birthday, you would be able to hear it in your head. Now imagine Mr. Beethoven being able to hear his entire symphony in his head. And that is what made him super famous. So let's get to work on this great song, Ode to Joy, and we'll impress your friends and your band director. I'm going to play it one more time, and this time I'm going to add some dynamics and be very expressive. Check out the next lesson, and we will learn how to play Ode to Joy.